Hi guys, welcome back to 2 at 32. Thank you for all the love and support from the last video. For this one we're doing a slightly different video, aren't we? We're doing our autumnal decorating of the house. But no, following on from the support from last video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's much loved with the comments and that sort of thing, so thank you.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll get started, show you. So most of it's from last year, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we've brought a few little bits, but I wanted to get everything out, see what we've got, and then now I know what I've got, I might buy some more bits.
Yeah, we went up to the loft and there was 4 boxes, wasn't there?
Yeah, which wasn't as I thought there was going to be more, so I'm quite happy actually because I've seen loads of bits I want to buy this year, but I didn't want to go OTT
And now she will.
and have the whole house decorated in autumn. But now we're gonna have a go on the Cheshire Gift Company website because they've got some good bits, haven't they?
Yeah, we'll do that tonight.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that. But yeah, we've shown some of the some of the stuff we've brought this year in a previous video in the Home Sense autumn decor. So we showed, we showed those bits. So if you want to go back and have a look at that. But then we got a few extra bits, didn't we?
Yep.
From Asda,
TK Maxx or Home Sense.
Home Bargains.
Home Sense and Home Bargains, wasn't it?
No, we didn't go to. We just went to Asda and Home Bargains.
Okay.
Yeah, and then my mum got me a candle for my birthday from Home Sense.
Yeah.
Which we'll go because Home Sense do the best autumn, Christmas candles, and I really want to get another one because I want one with the pumpkins on the wood.
Yeah. Perfect.
So I'll have to go back there the weekend.
Yep. So the first room to start off with is our living room. As you can see, we've added a few little bits to this room to make it a little bit more autumnal.
So just do a quick with the stuff that we got last year, just to show where it's from. So this is Lights for Fun, as is this candle here, which did come in a set of 3, but
it may have melted.
Yeah. Top tip: don't leave your wax candles in the loft over the summer because they'd like melted and all squished.
They all fused into one. Yeah,
these ones did as well, but we've kind of just hidden them. So yeah, don't leave your candles in the loft. But yeah, they were from a garden centre. Were they from that garden centre down in Bristol?
Yes, they were. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whitehall.
Whitehall. Yeah. So we won't be doing that again. Then this.
Oh, that's a good story actually.
Story, but we are because I don't like the pot. But I've brought which we're going to do maybe tomorrow night, Friday night. Yeah, at some point this week. I've got some of that. I don't know what it's called. It's the stuff that Stacey Solomon always does, and Miss Greedy with the Charlotte Greedy, not Miss Greedy. It's like white spray paint, and it's got like a marbly speckledy effect. Speckle effect. So we're going to spray paint that, and I think that would then fit in
really nice with the aesthetic.
But yeah, so the reason, we got this for free because,
long story short.
Long story. One of the little shops in our village, which did like cards, balloons, gifts, all that kind of stuff, it's shut down now, which is really sad. But they did nice like dry floral arrangements, and they were shutting down at the end. Last day, they put everything out in front of the shop, and it was just like, take whatever you want. And we were just on our evening walk.
Well, I saw it earlier on, and I denied about picking it up. Yeah, and I thought, I was carrying shopping, and I was like, that's a bit of a faff to carry back. And literally,
we went on a walk, and I was like, oh, that's nice. And then you were like, well, should we pick it up? So we just picked it up.
But no,
yeah, that was really
it's really nice. Like,
it's so nice. That would have easily cost like 30-40 quid.
And then I think once Amy said, if we add a little bit of stuff to that, it's going to look absolutely incredible.
Yeah. So yeah, that's those bits. Then these are Cheshire Gift Company. Was that Lights for Fun? Possibly Lights for Fun.
Did I get you those?
Yeah, from that.
What's it called? I want one of those. Bargain site if you ever want Christmas presents.
Yeah.
They're new for this. Yeah.
Yeah, well, we've shown that on the previous one. So
TK Maxx.
TK Maxx. Yeah.
And
then all these.
Tesco.
No, Asda.
Asda.
Yeah, that's new. All these flowers, dried flowers, I always get them from. It's a company called Boho. So this bit's I think from my Amazon one, but yeah, there are a few things from
different bits.
Home. But yeah, we got these bits last autumn and then got them back out the loft and they're completely fine. So I've just added the orange bits in and I had the other stuff in the summer.
Fantastic. So, yeah, featuring a TK Maxx
candle.
Yeah,
that's one of them.
Really nice smelling. Would 100% recommend that.
Yeah, I do want another one because they're just so cute and I want one with the little pumpkins on the top.
I think that's a shopping trip on Saturday.
Yeah.
And then another thing is this little doorstop, which I chose. I know Amy loves her gonks, but this was my choice. I thought it was really cute. Kitchen. We've decided to just do downstairs, haven't we? That's I forgot to mention that earlier on in the video.
Yeah. Well, I might put a few bits upstairs.
Of course we will.
I'm buying some stuff. So these are just from Amazon, and they were really cheap.
And I think they look really nice.
Loads.
They were really, really cheap, weren't they?
Yeah, and then this is from. We got this the other week from Home Bargains.
I spotted
and that was it like $5.99?
$4.99? Something stupid.
And it's just a little like
cookie jar.
But we
very
thought
cute.
That was very, very cute.
And then a tea towel from Asda. Very nice.
A set of two, so.
It's very nice. And then moving on to our windowsill. These lovely little pumpkins, which are from TK Maxx's, which shown in the previous video.
And then this is Cheshire Gift Company.
Cheshire Gift Company, little autumnal arrangement.
Yeah.
And then Mr. Frankengonk.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Amy loves her gonks.
Yeah. Then you find another rubbish on the shelf.
And then our centerpiece.
Yeah, so again, just those same leaves from Amazon. Then I just ordered a pack of some like little pumpkins from Amazon. Then that's Cheshire Gift Company, wood slice Amazon. And then I just did it on a candle.
Wonderful.
And then this was from...
Oh, that's from Country Baskets.
Country Basket, yeah.
And then our other little area is this bit. We've got a little pumpkin tea light.
We picked up from Asda, the pumpkin tea light.
A little gonk from TK Maxx. And then this wonderful sign from...
Have a guess.
Cheshire Gift Company.
Yeah.
But no, it's really nice. We're hoping to buy a bit more for the house, like Amy said. So, yeah, that'll be a future video, I think, adding to it.
Yeah.
We've done a little tiny bit of decorating, just made a bit more
just like autumn-y. A few little touches here and there. We're not going full like Christmas decor, but yeah, so that's what my mum got me for my birthday, and it smells
really good,
incredible. So yeah, really recommend.
Classic white girl pumpkin spice.
Yeah, really good. Then these are both Cheshire Gift Company again. I don't know if they've got them this year. It was last year, but I know they've got lots of really good bits on their website. Again, so TK Maxx, we've already shown that in another video. That was TK Maxx last year, but it's always worth going.
Yeah, like really nice. I love this.
Cheshire Gift Company.
Cheshire Gift Company, yeah.
Classic.
And then our lovely autumnal wreath, which we got from Amazon, which I always think looks a bit phallic, but
yeah. And since Matt's told me that, I can't unsee that. So now I want another one.
But it's really nice still. I love it.
It's nice, yeah, but now every time I look at it, I just see a willy.
And then my favourite sign in the whole of our house, welcome to our patch. I really love that.
Cheshire Gift Company as well.
Fantastic.
I think they've got something very similar this year, or even the same, so.
Yeah, fantastic. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. It's our little autumnal spruce of our house. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We would really much appreciate that. If you want to see what the house looks like before the autumnal bits, please watch the previous video.
Yeah, and upstairs as well, full house tour.
Yeah.
In our last video. And we'll leave some links to the companies that we've got all our stuff from, but
obviously not sponsored.
No, but it feels very cozy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really coming together. Like Amy said, we will be hopefully buying some more. So hopefully that'll be a future little video of the house.
More, that's an excuse to go shopping.
But no, thank you very much guys for watching, and see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.